In this video, we'll show you the safest way to sit down in a chair. If you're caring for someone, we'll show you how you can support them with this technique. Approach the chair slowly. Carefully turn around so the chair is directly behind you. If you're using a walking aid, set it down out of the way. Now you slowly move backwards until you feel the chair against the backs of your legs. Look down as you reach to place your hands on the arms of the chair and move your hips backwards right to the back of the chair as you sit. Now let's look at how you can support someone with this technique. Guide them into position until they feel the chair on the backs of their legs. Stand beside them in a step stance. Place one hand open palm onto their shoulder, the other hand between their shoulder blades or down to their lower back. Bend from the knees and guide them into the back of the chair as they sit. So that's the technique. Just remember that if you're helping someone with this sort of movement, make sure that you encourage them to do as much as they can by themselves so that you're supporting their independence.